The adverb phrase. To understand an adverb phrase, first recall the concepts of the adverb and the phrase. An adverb is a word that modifies a verb or an adjective. A phrase is a group of words that gives us some meaning though incomplete. Thus, an adverb phrase is a group of words that modifies a verb or an adjective. In other words, an adverb phrase is a group of words that replaces the adverb in a sentence. Let's take some examples. She worked enthusiastically. Here, enthusiastically is an adverb modifying the verb worked. Let's expand it or replace it with a phrase. She worked in an enthusiastic manner. Here, in an enthusiastic manner is the phrase that is doing the work of the adverb enthusiastically. Therefore, it is an adverb phrase. The foundation stone of our new hotel will be laid here. The adverb in this sentence is here. That is modifying the verb will be laid. Let's replace here with the phrase. The foundation stone of our new hotel will be laid at this place. Here, at this place is a phrase that replaces the adverb here. Or we may say that this is working like the adverb here. Therefore, it is an adverbial phrase. Types of the adverb phrase. We have as many types of adverb phrases as we have adverbs. Some of them are covered here. The adverb phrase of time. An adverb phrase of time, just like an adverb of time, answers the question when. For example, the sun will set in a short time. Here we'll ask the question, when will the sun set? The answer to this question is the phrase in a short time, and this is modifying the verb will set. Therefore, it is an adverb phrase. The adverb phrase of place. An adverb phrase of place answers the question where. For example, the hermit led a solitary life in the forest. Now ask the question, where did the hermit lead a life of solitude? The answer will be in the forest, and it is modifying the verb led. Thus, it is an adverb phrase of place. Adverb phrase of manner. It answers the question how. For example, that night she sang with an exceptional skill and enthusiasm. How did she sing that night? The answer is with an exceptional skill and enthusiasm. And this phrase is modifying the verb sang. Therefore, an adverb phrase of manner. The adverb phrase of reason. Like an adverb of reason, this phrase answers the question why. For example, the teacher punished him for not completing the homework. Why did the teacher punish him? The answer is for not completing the homework. This is the phrase answering the question why and modifying the verb punished. Therefore, it is an adverb phrase of reason. The adverb phrase of condition. To identify an adverb phrase of condition, we need to ask what is the condition to get the work done. For example, without working hard, she will not succeed. Here in this sentence, the condition to succeed is working hard, and also without working hard is the phrase that is modifying the verb will not succeed. Therefore, it is the adverbial phrase of condition. The adverb phrase of concession. The adverb phrase of concession represents a contrast. For example, in spite of his best efforts, Mohan could not reach home in time. In this sentence, the phrase in spite of his best efforts modifies the verb could not reach and is an adverb phrase of concession. The position of an adverb phrase. As an adverb, we can put an adverb phrase also at the front, in the middle, or at the end of the sentence. Apart from this, just like an adverb phrase has to be positioned somewhere near the verb or the adjective that it modifies. Let's see some examples. An adverb phrase placed in the beginning. Despite working hard, he failed. Here, despite working hard is the phrase that is modifying the verb failed, and it is in the beginning of the sentence. An adverb phrase placed in the middle of the sentence. The government has now and then been forced to change its mind. Here, now and then is an adverb phrase placed in the middle and modifying the verb has been forced. An adverb phrase placed in the end. This feeling of guilty will lie heavy on your conscience. Here, on your conscience is the adverb phrase modifying the verb will lie.